December 2nd is Giving Tuesday, and at SUNY Morrisville we are rallying together to raise $50,000 for the Student Hardship Fund. The Hardship Fund supports students who encounter financial challenges and provides the emergency funding they need to stay on track and enrolled in school.
Scholarships, and the Student Hardship Fund in particular, enable students both to start and continue their academic career at Morrisville. As the chair of the Morrisville College Foundation Board, I am committed to making sure our students have the resources they need to fulfill their opportunity to go to college, thrive while they are here, and go out into the world to do good.
My scholarship has meant a great deal to me, ensuring that I have less stress and focusing more on my courses. As an equine freshman student is very important because we have to ride, we have to make sure we can tack up and take care of all the horses properly. And it's just much easier to focus on the horses without having to worry about essentially money and my tuition, and just ensure that I have the best riding experiences.
Because of their determination, my wife Yvonne and I joined this Giving Tuesday challenge by matching your gifts dollar for dollar, and as a community, we raised $50,000 for the Student Hardship Fund.
Giving Tuesday is a global generosity movement that unleashes the power of people and organizations to transform their communities and the world. Be part of the movement this Giving Tuesday and help us open doors and keep our students moving forward.